show you how the hotel look like. Here I go. Wow, there is 2 beds for me, but I got a single one. They seem so clean and comfortable, I think. Yeah, and 1 TV for me and a table for work, a chair, and let me see the view. That seems not perfect but good. I like it. I got tired for today, but I got my room and some closet for putting my hanging and putting my coat here. And the bathroom seems clean, and yeah, the smell is so good. Yeah, here it is. I think the hotel seems clean, nice and comfortable. And here I am in Ancona, in one of the hotels that is close to the center, and I found it on the website, and then you can just negotiate with the owner to get low price, as this is not weekend, as it's winter, so the price cannot be that much high. So I'm staying here for 2 nights, and then I try to also show you Ancona, the city and everywhere. So let's be updated and keep up. Ciao.